Welcome to your dream home. Located on just shy of 3 acres, you will find privacy, comfort, and all that you need in this stunning home built in 2015. This floor plan was very well thought out. On one end of the home, you will find a luxurious ensuite with a massive walk-in closet and a large walk-in shower. On the other end of the house, it is perfect for guests and family. There's 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Not to mention that this home does have main floor laundry with its own half bath that is included. Downstairs, you're gonna find a 4th bedroom and a large recreational room and tons of storage. I'm saving the best for last. Step outside and enjoy your backyard that is totally fenced in. There is a deck that's perfect for those summer barbecues. You're gonna love these 3 separate garages. You have your attached 2-stall garage, and there's 2 additional detached 2-stall garages. Plenty of storage for all your tools and toys. Don't miss out on this amazing home located right here in Reese Pepper School District.